Hey everybody, it's me Sissy, back today with 3 more quick and easy Christmas DIY ornaments. And if you stay tuned at the end of the video, I'll announce the winners of the press-on nails and the eyelashes from MEJOSI. I don't know how to pronounce it, but anyway, y'all stay tuned for that.
This first DIY, we're going to use this cute little candle holder from the Dollar Tree with the little star on it. It came in some different colors. We're going to use some of the floral wire, or you can use just the spool wire. I got this from Walmart. And we'll need pliers. And we're going to use some jingle bells. And this was just so cute. I love the little tree and the candle holder, but I thought it needed a little something else. So I added some decorations, and I'm going to show you how I did it. It's really quick and easy. So first thing you're going to need is a straw. This is just a straw out of one of my water bottles. And the easiest way to make the loops to attach the jingle bells is to take the wire. And you don't have to get it really tight. In fact, it's better if you don't get it really tight, so you won't be able to get it off. So do that, and then I'm just going to slide my loops together and pull my straw out, and then take a good sharp pair of nips, and I'm just going to clip. So I clip the end, and now I'm just going to pull it out just a little bit, and then go down, just look where you clipped here, and then go down to the next row and clip, and there you have a ring. You want to get your jingle bells, and I got all of these from Dollar Tree, so there's different sizes. I think these were a little too big, but they're a good size. And then you can do the smaller ones. It's just whatever your preference is. But I think I'm going to go with the bigger ones, the medium size actually. So you're going to need 8, and unfortunately they only have 3 colors, so I think I used 4 gold and 2 green and 2 red. So, okay, for this part you're going to need 2 pairs of pliers, or I needed 2 pairs of pliers. But you want to take your loop, and it's going to be kind of bent up from where you cut it. So you just want to take it and mash it and press it flat. And if your loop closes all the way up like that one did, you just want to take your pliers and put it in and spread it out enough that you can get your bell on. And then you want to take your pliers, hold the edge, and loop it on your tree, and then take your other pair of pliers and squeeze your loop closed. Just like that. And then you just have to do that 8 times, and you have all your little bells on your tree. Okay, so there we have our little trees. The hardest part about this is trying to get this little tea light in there. There we go. Next DIY, we're going to use some of the cobblestone corner little figurines, some of the fake snow, and then I have this set of holiday style festive figures. I got this at Dollar General. They're a little smaller. And then I'm going to use a teacup. This is actually a teacup and saucer that I made a bird feeder out of. But I never got around to hanging it in the tree, so I'm just going to use it for demonstration purposes, how you could do this with a full-size teacup. What I'm going to be making for my tree today is going to be made with these little plastic teacups from the tea set at Dollar Tree, and they do have a even smaller size tea set, so that's what we're going to be using. And I got some some more little trees somewhere. Oh, these are my little craft trees. They had these at Dollar Tree also. The Crafter Square mini trees. So all we're going to do is we're going to make a little scene right here in our teacup. Now you could set this on a table. You could do it without the saucer. I would really do it without the saucer. And you can hang it on a tree if you got a good sturdy branch. So we're just going to take our trees and glue them in our teacup. And kind of put them towards the back. And I'm just going to bend the base a little bit. Okay, and then we'll put two smaller ones. We're gonna get our Santa in there. Okay, and then we're just going to put a generous amount of hot glue around Santa and on the base of our trees. Working quickly while it's still hot, we're going to just pour in some of this fake Dollar Tree snow and just let it kind of sit there. I'm going to press it in a little bit and then just pour the excess back in the cup. And then when that hardens, we're just going to do another little layer. Okay, and then if you wanted to add a ribbon at the top, you can do that. You can add some little greenery up there, kind of decorate that too. I think I'm going to add a red ribbon. Got a little scrap of red ribbon. So, and we're just going to put a loop to hang it. I think it's kind of heavy to be hanging it. If you had a good sturdy artificial tree, but a live tree this won't work on, we would just tie a loop and then you can hang it like that. But since this is probably just going to set on the counter, I'm just going to make a bow. Okay, so we have that one, and let's do our little smaller ones. For this last DIY, we're going to use one of the big clear bulbs from Dollar Tree, and then I just have a bulb left over from last year. And we have these gemstone stickers. So we're just going to take the stickers and put them on the ornament. And they have lots of nice gemstone stickers like this. And this just happens to be a star. So we're going to take this big star, the biggest one. And we're going to find the front of our ornament. Line it up. And this will work best if you start in the middle and then go out. You can kind of stretch it and get it to fit to the curved surface. There you go. And just like that. And then you could fill this up with snow or glitter or whatever you wanted to. And you could put some more on here. But I'm going to do this green one for my tree. So, and I'm going to use this big one. And we're just going to stick it in the center. There you go, and I'm just going to put one on the other side also. So there we go. Okay, that's it, y'all. That's my last three decorating DIYs for the holiday season. I'm going to concentrate now on getting my gifts ready and doing a few DIY Christmas gifts or maybe some wrapping. And who knows, there may be some ornaments and decorating in there too. Just depends on what I decide to do. But anyway, now let me announce the winners of the giveaway. The fine people at MEJOSI, MEJOSI, gifted me with 2 sets of nails and 2 sets of lashes. I dearly love the nails. I would love to be able to wear the lashes, but I have not been able to get them on my eyes. I've just never been a person who's used lashes, so I am very inexperienced. But I'm still trying. But anyway, the winner of the nails was, and I hope I'm saying this right, was Mo Paparazzi Just Me. Anyway, Mo Paparazzi Just Me. If you will email me with your contact information and your mailing address, I'll get these out to you. And the winner of the eyelashes, which these are just absolutely gorgeous, is Susan Haley. So Susan, if you will email me, my email address is in the description box. And a link and a discount code to MEJOSI will be down there. Also, if you use the code Sissy50, you will get 50%. It's buy one, get one 50% off. But anyway, y'all, have a great holiday season, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.